All right, 7th graders, lesson 84, order of operations, part 2. If you recall, the different types of operations that we can do are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Today we're going to add one other type of operation, and that is first we do everything that is in parentheses. Do everything that's in parentheses. The second thing that we need to do is then multiply and divide. They are both equal. And you have to do that from left to right. So you start on the left-hand side, just like reading a book, regardless of what's first. If the division is first, do that. There's no rule that says you have to do the multiplication first and then the division. You just do it from left to right. And then third is after that, you add and subtract, and again you do it from left to right. Okay, so let's look at some of these examples here. Example 1, we have 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6. Alright, I see I've got no parentheses, so I have to look for multiplication division, and I see that here. So 2 times 8 will be 16, and 2 times 6 will be 12. And now I can add those two. 16 plus 12 is going to equal 28. So the answer to this problem up over here is 28. Your book shows you trying to do that on your calculator. Calculators are able to handle that. It knows some of them, but some of them will not come up with the right answer, so sometimes with these, you're just going to have to work them out by hand, breaking them down into their individual parts. Alright, let's look at example 2. 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 0.5 minus 0.5 times 0.5. Again, no parentheses here. So I'm going to look for addition and subtraction, multiplication, division. So here I see a division problem, and here I see a multiplication problem. Alright, so this is going to get rewritten down here. 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 0.5 is a 1, and a 0.5 times 0.5 is going to be 25, but I need two numbers after the decimal, so it'll be 0.25. Now I can go ahead and work my problems from left to right. So I'll do this part here, 0.5 plus 1, that'll be 1.5, minus 0.25, and then if I solve that part of the problem, then 1.5 minus 0.25 will be 1.25. So again, the answer to this problem up here is 1.25. Example 3 gives us our first problem with some parentheses. So here I'm going to have to do in the parentheses first, even though it's addition. 8 plus 16 is 14. And carry it down, bring the 2 as well. So 2 times 14. Going to have to do that next. So 2 times 14, that'll equal 28. So the answer to this problem up over here is 28. So order of operations. Remember to first do the parentheses, second do addition, multiplication or division, and third do the addition or the subtraction. And again, with these two, always doing them from left to right. Okay. All right, that's it for today. You can get started.